So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. And in today's video, we are going to learn about how to join lines in SketchUp. So let's say you have a couple of lines like this, which is randomly placed, and what you want to do is that you want to join all of that lines. Okay, so let's say this line is different than this line is different. So how are you going to join it? It's very simple. What you have to do is select all the four lines, or how many of the lines are there. Then just after the whole line comes in a blue color, all you have to do is there are two options. First, right click, and all you have to select is weld edges. So I have set a shortcut for weld edges as W. So when you just select all the four lines, and then you just press W or whatever your preferred shortcut will be. So the weld tool command will easily join the line, and then you can make whatever shape or whatever drawing that is required for your SketchUp model. So that was it for the video, and the video covered weld edges shortcut, the tool weld edges. So if you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and subscribe for more such tips.